Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO, SolutionsMax Technology Services Inc. Today, we will focus on areas related to production and manufacturing, which have been bottlenecks due to major compliance audit failures. At times, there have been attempts to cover up defects and failures. Let's embark on a journey to see how AI can help us streamline this critical supply chain area. Let's begin by asking ourselves the question, can AI be used to monitor the batch manufacturing process in a pharmaceutical firm? What about its role in compliance and regulatory affairs? Yes, AI can be used to monitor batch manufacturing processes in pharmaceutical firms and play a significant role in compliance and regulatory affairs. Here are some key ways AI is being applied in these areas. Real-time monitoring and proactive compliance. AI can continuously monitor the batch execution process in real time, analyzing data from multiple sources and stages of production. Using predictive analytics, it can identify potential deviations or anomalies that could lead to compliance issues, enabling proactive corrective actions before critical failures occur. Automated documentation and audit trails. AI can automate the labor-intensive process of documentation by generating batch records, equipment logs, and other essential compliance documents. It creates an immutable audit trail, providing comprehensive visibility into each step of the batch process, facilitating regulatory inspections and internal reviews. Streamlined root cause analysis. When deviations do occur, AI can analyze vast datasets to pinpoint the most probable root cause, speeding up the investigation process and making it more accurate. This enhances overall compliance by enabling effective corrective and preventive actions. Real-time process monitoring and control machine learning models can monitor manufacturing processes in real time, flagging inconsistencies that could potentially lead to compliance issues. This allows for immediate corrective action, maintaining product quality and integrity. Optimizing analytical method development and validation. AI algorithms can analyze historical validation data to predict the success rate of new analytical methods, allowing for targeted adjustments before actual testing. This reduces the time and resources required for validation, accelerating the regulatory approval process. Leveraging natural language processing, NLP. NLP algorithms can perform rapid literature reviews, a critical component in drug development, scanning thousands of research papers to provide quick insights into existing knowledge. This facilitates regulatory submissions and accelerates approvals. In summary, AI is transforming pharmaceutical batch manufacturing by enabling real-time monitoring, automated documentation, root cause analysis, process optimization, and accelerated analytical method development, ultimately enhancing compliance and regulatory success. As the technology continues to advance, its impact on the industry is expected to grow. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform designed to manage the entirety of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Say goodbye to pricey corporate solutions and embrace our one-stop solution tailored for your firm. Experience top-notch support services from world-class engineers who are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way.